Director of Public Prosecutions Paula Llewellyn has confirmed receiving the file from the Major Organized Crime and Anti-Corruption Agency MOCA regarding its ongoing investigations into the Institute of Sports relating to alleged irregularities at the entity.
This is the special Primetime Sports Investigative Report. Now here's your reporter.
Speaking with the TVJ Sports by telephone on Tuesday, Director of Public Prosecutions DPP Paula Llewellyn would only confirm receiving the file from MOCA but did not provide any details. This comes some 15 months after the InSport Board filed a complaint with MOCA, having fired then Administrative Director Ian Andrews in August 2017. When contacted by phone Tuesday afternoon, acting chairman of the InSport Board, Newton Amos, says he was aware that MOCA investigators turned over their file to the DPP.
We know that the investigations were ongoing, and we were recently informed that a file had been submitted to the offices of the Director of Public Prosecution. I'm not yet properly informed as to what is the result of that submission.
Sports Minister Olivia Grange, who revealed that the matter was referred to MOCA while addressing Parliament's Standing Committee in March this year, could not be reached for comment up to sports time on Tuesday. In March, the minister indicated that MOCA was called in to investigate missing funds amounting to $85 million. This included $44 million in pension contributions collected from staff and not paid over by InSport to the provider. In the meantime, the management of InSports, the Sports Development Foundation, and the Jamaica Anti-Doping Commission, JADCO, are scheduled to appear before Parliament's Public Administration and Appropriations Committee, the PAAC, on Wednesday. Reporting for TVJ Sports, I'm Keon Reyna.